In July 2024, a new set of safety regulations came into force in Europe for all new vehicles. This is called the General Safety Regulation. These rules require advanced safety features to be built into all vehicles. At Mercedes Benz, we have been pioneers of safety since 1886. It's in our DNA. Our priority is to keep drivers, passengers and road users safe. For example, our active brake assist not only detects vehicles, but can also react to pedestrians and cyclists, reducing the risk of accidents. We've also made attention assist more advanced, monitoring your driving patterns and helping you stay focused and alert on long journeys. Intelligent Speed Assist alerts you with visual and audible signals if you exceed the speed limit. Active Lane Keeping Assist ensures you stay in your lane with corrective steering and steering wheel feedback. And with our reversing camera, navigating narrow spaces and avoiding obstacles has never been easier or safer. All of these important safety features are now available as standard on your Mercedes-Benz van, as well as a host of optional features to enhance the safety of your vehicle. Our vans have also achieved Platinum, the highest score in the Euro NCAP safety ratings, a reflection of our commitment to safety. For more information, visit our website or contact your dealer.